This is going to be my last video from my Angel Fire trip in August. This is high octane. I really enjoyed this trail, but it had a lot of damage from the recent rains. I finished the ride out on Boulder Dash, which is always fun, even though I'm terrible at jumps. Jump skills required for this one. Ah. I think I took the easy way. I missed the rest of it too. All right, more high octane. Ooh. All right, we're going with more high octane. Too slow, I had to pedal. It's washed out bad right there. You don't want to get into that rut. Guess I'm going this way. Okay, trail's destroyed right here. Can't even ride that. I've been standing here resting for a while. My heart rate's still 150 just from doing downhill. I know you guys are gonna hear me breathing nonstop because the camera's literally in front of my mouth, but it's pretty intense out here. And I'm not on the most capable downhill bike. I got 130 millimeters travel. So you can do it on a lower spec bike, and I'm a heavy guy anyway, so this bike's taking a real beating every time I come out here. That's probably why I had to get a new tire yesterday. It just blew a hole. But here we go. Boulder Dash is really all I have an option for right now. And this part doesn't look so torn up. Oh, never mind. Oh god, the brake bumps are crazy. But I love this section. Wow. These jumps are just perfect for me. I cased that one, of course. Those little smaller jumps are just built where I can clear them without much effort. Take a break right here. Oh, gotta hit this. Brake bumps. Whoa. Always love that last little jump. Makes me feel way cooler than I am. And that's it from Angel Fire this year. I hope to get back there next summer. I've been going every year, so I wouldn't want to mess that tradition up. I'd love to go more often, but it's just so far. It takes forever to get there and get back, so I will probably only go once a year. Thanks for sticking around. I know I haven't uploaded much this year, but I'm happy to say I have 3 more videos ready to go, and I'm uploading them right after I get this one up. As usual, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you want to see more mountain biking fun. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.